Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve autoplay on Pinterest, we click on settings. Then in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Pinterest and you can enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter the storage and then you can click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Pinterest here, and if you will find update in this blue sign, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.